Imagine sitting around the dinner table with your family. Bills are paid, the lights are on, everybody's doing okay. But deep down, you know one thing. If you stop working tomorrow, the money stops too. That's the reality for millions of families. They work hard, they earn income, they pay bills, then they repeat the process for the next 30 or 40 years. But what if there was another path? What if one decision could begin changing your family's financial future? Not 10 properties, not a giant apartment complex, not becoming a millionaire overnight, just one rental property. Today, we're going to break down how one rental property can change a family forever and the exact steps you can take to get started. Step 1. Change the way you think about money. Before you buy property, you must understand the difference between income and assets. Most people focus on income and they ask, how can I make more money? Wealthy families ask, how can I buy assets that make money for me? An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. A rental property has the potential to become an income-producing asset. That means while you're sleeping, working, or spending time with your family, the property can generate income. The goal is not simply to work for money. The goal is to own assets that work for you. Step 2. Know your numbers. Real estate is not emotional. It's mathematical. Before looking at properties, know your credit score, monthly income, existing debt, savings available, emergency fund. Many first-time investors fail because they buy based on excitement instead of numbers. Banks care about numbers. Tenants care about numbers. Successful investors care about numbers. You don't need perfect credit. You don't need to be rich, but you do need a plan. Step 3. Build your down payment fund. The biggest obstacle for many families is the down payment. Create a dedicated real estate account. Treat it like a mission. Every paycheck, save something. Stay consistent. Avoid unnecessary spending. Many families spend years saying they want real estate. Very few create a specific account dedicated to buying it. Small deposits become large deposits. Large deposits become opportunities. Opportunities become ownership. Ownership becomes wealth. Step 4. Find the right property. The biggest mistake beginners make is buying based on appearance. Investors don't buy houses. Investors buy numbers. A beautiful house can be a terrible investment. A simple house can be an incredible investment. Look for strong rental demand, growing neighborhoods, good schools, low crime, employment growth, positive cash flow potential. Remember, you make money when you buy, not when you sell. Buying correctly is everything. Step 5. Run the numbers. This is where most people separate themselves from amateurs. Ask, how much rent will the property generate? Then subtract mortgage, taxes, and insurance, repairs, and maintenance, vacancy allowance. What remains is your cash flow. Example, rent equals $1,800. Expenses equals $1,500. Cash flow equals $300 per month. That may not sound life-changing, but let's keep going. Step 6. Understand the 4 ways real estate makes money. Most people only think about rent. Real estate investors know there are multiple wealth engines working at the same time. Cash flow, monthly income after expenses, appreciation. Property values tend to rise over time. Mortgage paydown. Your tenant helps pay down the loan balance. Tax benefits. Real estate often provides deductions and advantages that many families never take advantage of. One property can produce wealth in 4 different directions simultaneously. That's powerful. Step 7. The first property changes your mindset. Something happens after buying your first rental. You stop seeing yourself as only a worker. You start seeing yourself as an owner. You begin asking different questions. You begin noticing opportunities. You become more intentional. Ownership changes behavior, and behavior changes outcomes. Step 8. Let time do the heavy lifting. Many people quit too early. Real estate rewards patience. Imagine this. You buy one property. 10 years pass. the property appreciates. The loan balance decreases, the rent increases as the cash flow improves. Now imagine 20 years. Now imagine 30 years. The same property that seemed ordinary becomes a wealth-building machine. Time is the secret ingredient. Step 9. Use the cash flow to buy more assets. This is where families begin building momentum. Instead of spending every dollar of cash flow, reinvest it. Use it to build reserves, invest in other assets, purchase another property, strengthen your financial foundation. This is how ownership compounds. One property can help create the next, then the next, then the next. Step 10. Think about legacy. The biggest benefit isn't the rent. It isn't appreciation. It isn't even the tax advantages. The biggest benefit is options. One rental property can create opportunities for your children, your grandchildren, future generations. Maybe the cash flow helps pay for education. Maybe the equity helps launch a business. Maybe the property itself becomes part of a family legacy. Ownership creates choices, and choices create freedom. Conclusion. One rental property may not make you rich overnight, but it can change the trajectory of a family. It can teach ownership. It can generate cash flow. It can build equity. It can create opportunity. And most importantly, it can shift a family's mindset from consuming assets to owning them. Remember, you don't need 10 properties to get started. You only need one, because one property can become two, two can become four, four can become a portfolio, and a portfolio can become a legacy. At Black Dollar and Culture, we believe wealth is not built in a day. It's built through ownership, patience, and intentional decisions repeated over time. Start with one. Build, grow, repeat, and let that one property become the foundation your family builds on forever. If you're serious about protecting your family and building real wealth, start with our Family Bank Starter Systems and ILIT Trust Blueprint. The Family Bank Starter System shows you how to keep money circulating within your family instead of constantly flowing to outside banks. The ILIT Trust Blueprint teaches how wealthy families protect assets, transfer wealth efficiently, and build lasting legacies. You'll find both resources linked below in the description. Don't just work for money. Learn how to own assets, protect wealth, build systems, and create freedom for your family. Thank you for watching Black Dollar and Culture. Own assets, build wealth, create freedom.